Hello and welcome to another session of Answer the Community, where I answer your questions regarding headsets, headphones, Bluetooth devices, speakerphones, and other office technology. Hello and welcome to Answer the Community. I'm Rolando, founder of Global Tech Worldwide, and today we're going to answer questions regarding Bluetooth and connectivity problems. And I want to remind you to hit that like and subscribe and hit that bell so that you know when we've released a new episode, as well as other nuggets that come out through the week. On today's session, I'm going to dive into Bluetooth connections and connection problems related to using Bluetooth devices. If you have used a Bluetooth device, whether it's a headset, whether it's a speakerphone, whether it's a keyboard even, you have inevitably had issues with a connection. And what I mean by connection is that that device that you're using, whether it's a headset or a headphone or something else, will lose a connection. It may not get the advertised range that says on the box that you should get, or simply you're close enough to maybe your mobile phone or your computer if you're using it with your computer and it's not syncing up. So the first thing you got to ask yourself is, why does that happen? Why so many problems with range? So let's address Bluetooth and what it is and why, and then we'll address the why in terms of why there's so many people having range and problems with connectivity. Bluetooth is a signal designed to connect multiple devices, and that signal is not a very strong signal compared to, let's say, your mobile phone, or as well as the signal coming from the tower that's providing signal to your mobile phone. Those signals are much stronger. They're broadcast at a higher power. And with Bluetooth, the opposite is true. It broadcasts at a very low power in order to conserve the battery of your mobile device if you're using with a mobile device, and also to conserve the battery power on the Bluetooth headset or Bluetooth headphones that you may be using with. On a mobile phone, you're going to be limited with the number of options that you have. It's just all about line of sight. So keep that in mind when you're using any Bluetooth device. Line of sight is what you need. The same applies if you're using a Bluetooth device with your computer. And for those people that use your headphones or headsets or other devices for work purposes, this is going to be important. The same concept applies if I take this headphones and connect it over to my laptop. So I've got a laptop back here. And these particular headphones come with an additional accessory. This is a Bluetooth dongle, and if you've seen any of our previous podcasts, we talk exclusively about this. You really want to take advantage of this, but it's also got the same problem. So if I take this should improve the audio. I'm going to go back here and theoretically plug it in, improving the location of that dongle. So if you're a computer user and you want to use your headphones or your speaker phones that are Bluetooth, what you want to do with that same dongle is use it with what we call a Bluetooth range extender. It's our Blue Beacon device. This will help you get further in terms of range. Let me show you what it does. If we use the analogy of a cell phone tower, what you'll find is cell phone towers tend to be up on a hill or somewhere where the signal can broadcast down into a valley or into the street. And that's because the signal is much stronger coming down and it will get better line of sight. So now I'm going to do the same with this computer. Like many of you that work, you may have your computer or your tower that sits down below. You're not going to really get a good signal down there either. So this way you can get up, walk around. I have an actual monitor here, and I'd put it right here. So now I can be on this side of the monitor that I'm talking on, as well as the other side if I want to walk away, and I will still maintain a connection. I could tell you from my own personal experience the last month using this Blue Beacon range extender, I can now go to my kitchen with my Bluetooth device, whereas before, if I walked into the kitchen, the signal dropped. So this is one way for you to get a much better, cleaner, improved signal no matter what Bluetooth device you're on, as long as that device has a dongle. Now, if it came in the box, you're all set. Use that dongle, put it in, you're good to go. What you'll find is that most of the major manufacturers that make Bluetooth devices like headphones, headsets, speakerphones, keyboards, and mouse like these that are on the screen. All of these manufacturers make a dongle so that you can use those devices with a computer. So if your issue has been using a computer with any of these devices, this dongle is your key along with the blue beacon. It'll get you the range that you're looking for so that you can move about your home office environment or inside of your work office if it's where you're working. If you have a question regarding Bluetooth or anything related to headsets, telephones, speakerphones, or other hands-free devices, send us a comment. We may feature it on a future episode of Answer the Community. In the meantime, look through our YouTube channel where we have multiple videos that are helpful and that can guide you on your journey. And don't forget to hit like and subscribe and hit that bell notification so you know when we release a new episode, as well as nuggets that we release throughout the week. Thanks again for joining us, and I'll see you the next time on Answer the Community.